General Edward Katumba Wamala announced the closure of Karuma Bridge on the 23rd of September 2024, and he said this would last 3 months. And as it is, information are coming that this closure is going to be extended for another 3 months. And this is not going well with the Member of Parliament coming from Kilak South, that is Honorable Gilbert Olanya, who is a very strong Acholi advocate, will never keep quiet on things that are pressing Acholi and Ugandans. Olanya has reacted bitterly to this development and saying that those of Katumba Wamala, if they are planning to hit more money, they should get a way of hitting the money in a good way.
Katumba Wamala, different thing. Please be organized. And when you want to eat money, eat it in an organized manner, but not confusing our people and subjecting our people. So we are now seeing that the people from the Ministry of Works and UNRWA, they are becoming totally confused. Their statements are not being coordinated. The minister, another minister would say a different thing, and we don't know now which 3 months they are talking about. Minister Musa Iswero went with the contractor, and Minister Musa Iswero also gave 3 months. That within 3 months, the Karuma Bridge, the work shall have got done, and it will be open for our business community. We waited. And yesterday we were surprised seeing Honorable Minister Katumba Wamala going again and giving another 3 months, that the work will take another 3 months.
Well, Katumba Wamala has answered a few questions about the roles of technology in the development or improvement of transport. One of it is a support to the development of e-system or the electric cars and motorbikes. We thought you had loved to watch.
What role do you see technology playing in the future of transport?
Wow, technology has come in with a blast. Now we have e-vehicles.
Yes.
Yes, we highly support Chira because my ministry is responsible for certifying specifications of all vehicles. So we have been working with Chira very, very closely when they have been developing their modules.
Yes.
So I think technology is coming in handy now. Things like Uber. You just sit here and call. You don't need to go, looking for where. The safe border.
Yes. The safe border. There's Fast. There's Bolt.
There's what? Many of them.
Many of them.
Many of them.
Yes.
So I think the technology we just have to embrace it. It's here.
Yeah.
Either we take it or we are left behind.
Yeah.
Yes. We are now. I think you have seen what it has done also. That you can now book, for example, if you want to get your driving permit, you may not need to walk physically there. You can book online and you get you are called when everything is ready. Very soon we are moving into testing drivers computer testing. Yes. A computerized driving testing, as opposed to what is happening now when you go to Naguru and they say Jako. That's going to change. Yeah.
Okay, and also it's easier these days to get a driving permit.
Yeah, it's
faster.
It's faster.
Yeah. Okay. Do you have
Let's wrap it up with an update from weather forecast, something unusual, but let's start straight with Amur district. Today in Amur district, the weather is generally overcast. Morning temperatures are around 21 degrees Celsius with humidity near 81%. Light rain is expected around noon with temperatures reaching 23 degrees Celsius and a 32% chance of precipitation. By late afternoon, temperatures will remain around 23 degrees Celsius with broken clouds, and in the evening, it will cool slightly to about 20 degrees Celsius with overcast skies. Winds throughout the day or light, varying from 4 kilometers per hour to 15 kilometers per hour, mostly from the northeast. And also when we look at Gulu City, temperatures in Gulu City are peaked at around 29 degrees Celsius with partly cloudy skies expected for the rest of the evening. The evening temperature will gradually decrease, reaching 22 degrees Celsius overnight. Winds will slightly stay light, mostly from the west, with speeds between 5 to 9 kilometers per hour, and humidity will rise to about 87% to 91% overnight. No significant rain is expected tonight, although skies may be intermittently cloudy. Sunrise was at 6:32 a.m. and sunset was at 6:36 p.m., giving a total daylight duration of about 12 hours. And in Kitgum municipality, there will be overcast skies with occasional showers, particularly in the afternoon and evening. The temperatures will likely reach a high of around 29 degrees Celsius or 84 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, with lows around 18 degrees Celsius or 64 degrees Fahrenheit at night. Humidity will remain high, creating a warm and humid atmosphere. There is a moderate chance of rain, so it would be good to prepare for intermittent showers if you are heading outside. That is for those who are traveling in Kitgum municipality, Gulu City, and as well where Olanya Gilbert come from, that is Amoro district. Thank you.